In today's video, I will walk you through how to add bank details in Stripe. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard in your browser and sign into your account. Once you arrive on the main dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. Click on the gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see different sections related to your account and business setup. Find the section labeled Business and click on it to continue. After entering the Business section, look for the tab called Bank Accounts and Currencies. Select this option to open the area where Payout bank accounts and Payout currencies are managed. Once the page loads, confirm that you are viewing the correct currency for the bank account you want to add. Check the selected currency carefully before continuing. Next, locate the option that says Add a bank account to pay out this currency, and click it. At this point, Stripe may ask you to verify your identity before allowing changes. If verification appears, click Send Verification. Stripe will send a verification message to the email linked to your account. Open a new tab and go to your email inbox. If an option appears to open Gmail directly, you can select it or simply access your email inbox manually. Look for the verification email sent by Stripe. Open that email and locate the button labeled Verify Identity. Click it to complete the verification process. After verification is completed, you'll return to Stripe and the bank account form will appear. Start with the account holder name field. Click into the field and enter the account holder name exactly as it appears for the bank account. Next, click into the routing number field and enter the routing number. Then move to the account number field and enter the bank account number. After that, click into the Confirm Account Number field and enter the same bank account number again to confirm it. Review all the information you entered and check that every field matches your bank details. Once everything looks correct, click Add Bank Account. Stripe will save the information and connect the bank account for payouts in the selected currency. That's it. Your bank details have now been added in Stripe and the payout setup is complete. Thank you for watching.